Today I'll teach you how to fix your TikTok not opening problem. So if you're facing this problem, whenever you open TikTok, it just automatically closes or it just does not opens up. So there's many reasons behind this, and let me tell you how we guys can fix those. And first thing is you want to check your internet. If your internet is slow as well, your TikTok will not open up. So if your internet is slow, change your internet or change to a data connection. And let's say your internet is not the problem and you're still facing this issue. In that case, you need to go inside your app store and then search for TikTok to see if there's any update available. And if there's an update available, it's going to show you update. You want to click on update to update it. Mine is open, that means my TikTok is up to date. So if your TikTok is up to date and you're still facing this problem, then just switch off your phone and turn it on again. Sometimes just restarting your phone fixes this issue. And if it's still not fixed, the last option you want to do is just delete TikTok app like this. Click on remove app, click on delete app, click on delete, and your TikTok app will be deleted. Once your TikTok app is deleted, reinstall it again and try to open TikTok and it should work. So that's how you guys can fix your TikTok not opening issue. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.